Hi, this is about the tech. Today I'll be doing a video on how to replace your Sony light bulb on your TV. The TV that I have is a Sony 55-inch Grand WEGA 3 LCD rear projection HDTV, and the model is KDF-55E2000. But the same instruction applies to other rear projection HD TVs by Sony WEGA. The problem should occur when you turn on the power button, and then you should get a blink. You should get a sequence of 3 blinks of red lights, and that indicates that your light bulb has died out. I did an unboxing video on the Sony light bulb lamp, and you can find that on my channel. So before we start, make sure you unplug all the wires and make sure the TV is unplugged. And on the TV itself, on the rear side, you'll find a cover like this. Depending on the TV that you have, it might be on the right or left side. And in my case, is on the right side of the TV, right rear side of the TV. This is the cover that you have to remove, and it's really simple to remove. All you have to do is slide the slider to the left, and then push down on the clip up there, and then you just pull the cover off like so. So just slide to the left and then pull at the same time. And then, slide to the left and then push down on the clip and then pull the cover at the same time. And then you should be able to open the cover like so. And then you'll see another cover inside. Turn the knob counterclockwise and then just pull the cover off, and it will just simply come out. Like so, to drag it out. And now you can see your old light bulb right there, the lamp. And all you have to do to remove this is lift and then pull. Lift all the way to the top and then pull, and then you can easily get the light bulb out. This is the old one that I had. This is the original one that came with the Sony TV, and this is the one that needs replacing. As you can see, this is the older one, and this is the one that I got in the mail. This is the one that I bought on eBay, and they both are identical in shape and size. All you have to do is take the new one, take the one that you got, place it in the same position. To replace the lamp, all you have to do is lift the spring up and push it in. Push it in until you hear a click. Once you hear a click, make sure the lamp is firm and tight. Once the lamp is firm and tight, put both of the covers back. Plug in the TV and then turn on the power, and it should work. It will work. And then you have to reset the lamp timer. To do that, all you have to do is go set the timer. To reset the timer, go to menu, go to settings, and then go all the way to setup. Once you go to setup, scroll all the way down until you see lamp replacement, and then go to start and then press yes, and then everything's complete. Now enjoy your TV, and if you have any questions, please comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and this is Over the Tech. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and thumbs up. Thank you for watching. And please check out the unboxing video of this lamp.